So I am back again on the final stretch of this, the descent from Sinhgad Fort. So the forest people have and the police have, made a barrier. So I am allowed to only go back to Pune from here. So this is about last perhaps 2 kilometers of the ghat which I'll be going through, and it is still very scenic, as you can see. Sinhgad being very close to Pune is really a treat to the Puneites. This is almost like, as if you are in Mahabaleshwar and going through different points. Okay, I had a little trouble with the gear. Okay, so now here again it will be, though I am on the descent, it will be a little uphill and downhill combinations. And when you see the greens around of so many different shades of green and nice trees blossoming. Unfortunately, on this road I saw a lot of small snakes, who might have been trampled on the under the cars, and it was really bad to see all that. So here now I am on a descent. As you can guess, I am a little faster, though not pedaling. The bike is rolling on the downslope. Lovely, isn't it? This beauty you can see only once a year. Otherwise, this wouldn't be very dry, but wouldn't be as green. Or maybe some places near the base of the hills it will be dry, and above it will be still little green. So this road will finally meet up with the road which leads to the city. I'm trying to raise my camera to show the valley on my left, but looks like the shrubs won't allow. Here I'll have a little stop to show you a nice picture of the bird here. Okay, so here you see, I'll go close to the wall. So nice, all the hilltops are cloudy. I'll zoom a bit. Yeah, you can see the hilltops actually, they're hidden in the shrouded under the clouds. So very nice views. Okay. Wow. So fine. I think there won't be any more bites to add here. If at all I see some nice views, I'll add it. Okay, see you. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.